Okay, today I'm going to show you a trick that my brother Earl showed me a long time ago. When you have a screwdriver that gets really dull, a Phillips head screwdriver, you can use this trick to refurbish your tool. First thing you're going to need is an old pencil sharpener. You know, the kind you used to have in school. What in the world is this doing here? How'd this tomato get in here? You know, I'd really like to have a salad. I think I'll go give this to the wife. See if she'll make me a salad.